Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Explorer key fob battery. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership. All you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2450 coin cell battery. This quick fix will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, ensuring reliable access to your vehicle. First, locate the small release button on the side of your Ford Explorer key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully insert the screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently use your screwdriver to lift out the old CR2450 battery from its slot. Now, take your new CR2450 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks, indicating it's fully seated. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.